Good morning. Mary is on her way to school, but before that, she must wear hat, glasses, coat, gloves, shoes, or don't forget to wear mask. And in Chinese, there are two different verbs to match different articles. Which one we should use correctly? The first of two Chinese verbs is dai. The articles matching dai include hat, 帽子, glasses, 眼镜, mask, 口罩, necklace, 项链, gloves, 手套, ring, 戒指. The second Chinese verb is 穿. The article matching 穿 include coat, 外套, trousers, 裤子, shoes or socks, 鞋或者袜子. Is there any rules to follow to tell the difference between dai and 穿? Yes, the rules are actually very simple rules. Rules number 1. Above neck, we use dai. Number 2. Under neck, we use 穿. Number 3. Especially about hands, we use dai. We are about to finish, but we still have one exception. This is bed, 皮带. This is shoelace, 鞋带. And actually, for things in shape of bed or rope, we use this Chinese verb, 系. And it's quite similar. We also use 系 to match 安全带. Now Mary is ready and clear to go to school. She 戴帽子, 戴眼镜, 穿大衣, 戴手套, 穿鞋, 戴口罩. In this video, we have learned 3 different Chinese words, namely 戴, 穿, 系. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or subscribe my channel. See you!